All right, so let's get to the exercises. So I'll show you what I mean by the elevated heel slides. So normal heel slides are just on the floor dragging the leg. But what I do instead, I have this little stool and I put my leg on top. You can see I can lift it now. Not comfortably, but I can. So, and now that the leg is elevated, I can actually move it better, and plus I can use the weight of the leg to stretch. And you can see right now I can do maybe about 60, the going from straight. So this would be, this is almost straight, so let's say 5. And sorry, this is like yes, let's say 60 from the straight. And if I do these slides, I can actually push. Now it hurts. It hurts. But by holding it and moving, I can actually move it little by little. Maybe wait here, wiggle my knee a little bit, stretch a little more. And relax. And again, pull. Relax. And I know if I do like the 3 sets of 15 or 3 sets of 25 actually, and do them this slowly, I can get to 90 degrees. I think right now I'm not at 90 yet, but I do these little tricks like let my heel slide a little bit. Oh, let me move a little bit. So I let my heel slide below the edge, and now I can pump my ankle and get an extra stretch, which is pushing it slightly. And so if I do if I just keep doing these, the full 3 sets of 25, and slowly I can build up all the way to being from 0 to 90, the range of motion. Okay, so these are the heel slides, elevated heel slides. And then I also do the leg extensions, or the quad sets, I should say. So just let my leg kind of hang down from the heel, and let it hang down, and eventually it'll go down by its own weight a little bit. And now I can start engaging the quad muscles. 1, 2, 3, and push down a little bit. So this is how I'm trying to get the extension range of motion. And hold it for 5 seconds and relax. Hold it, relax. So those are the quad sets. And again, having it elevated actually is good, because then all the swelling goes away, and I can finally move the leg, get some range of motion. So now if I try the heel slides, just because of the swelling is getting better, I can get close to 90. Not there yet, but if I do enough of them, I will. So I kind of combine these leg extensions, the quad sets, and the heel slides. I do, the number of sets, 3 sets. Sometimes I do more sets, but just as much as possible so that I get at least to 90. And by next week I'm hoping to be able to do even more. Okay, so these are the elevated exercises, and uh, then I do these standing leg extensions. Walker is awesome for that. So look, I can lift my leg, push it through. That's already an accomplishment. And I have my exercise band, strapped around this. And now I can just do the extensions. 1, 2, 3, and make sure you tighten here. 4, 5. Do all the way to 20. I'm not gonna do all of them. By the way, just so that you get the idea of how my legs are, this is still swollen, thigh swollen, knee swollen. Hopefully it'll get better. So these are the standing leg extensions. Then I'll do the sitting extensions. Actually, well, I do use a ball for it. Hold on just a second. So I use the ball for the knee extensions. I don't need this. So lay down. Okay. And then I can just lift my leg up. And I don't need any help. Still hurts. The first few actually don't hurt as much, but when I'm supposed to do 10, the 9th and 10th, they do hurt. So I just work through the pain, and it's getting better and better. So these are the knee extensions, and then I can do, the leg raises. I always make sure that the leg is as straight as possible. Tighten do essentially the quad set, tighten the muscles, and then raise. Slowly lower down. Stretch the leg again a little bit, and raise. Slowly down. Stretch the little leg a little bit, and go down. And actually, for my all body workout, I started doing these, for my stomach. Just hold on to something and raise both legs. So that works the stomach as well. And then, of course, the last thing, I'll do the ankle pumps. Again, trying to push my leg down. Like I'm trying to straighten my leg, so push the knee down and do the ankle pumps. And I really do 3 sets of 30. It takes a long time, but I feel those are actually good. So that's the leg exercises, and then I do other stretches. Just sit down with legs open and bent towards one leg, towards the other, forward, just to essentially stretch the back of my legs so that it's straight. Anything. So the stretches, and then of course I do the full body workout with my weights here. The flies, curls, push-ups, something for shoulders, something for my back, push-ups. The good thing is I can now stand on this leg, so if I want to do like the back extensions, I can stand on the upright leg now and raise my good leg up, which is great. You can switch the legs. So the leg is, it's getting stronger, and I can do more. I can do more and more. More and more with it. Get around a little bit more. Sleeping is still a challenge for me, but that's also getting better. Anyway, I hope that this video will help somebody, who is in a similar situation, that they get an idea how slow the recovery is, really, because it's much slower than what I thought. So, just keep at it, and you can see from my videos, things are getting better, slowly but surely. Okay, I'll talk to you again sometime soon. Bye.